A Cork restaurateur has become embroiled in a dramatic legal row in Florida after selling a Miami mansion for a massive profit. Patricia Toscano, whose family runs Cork's long-established Restaurante Rossini, bought a waterfront Coral Gables home just outside Miami last April for $3 million. She sold it just 11 days later for nearly $16 million. But her former partner, New York lawyer Michael Griffith, now claims they had an oral deal to split the near $10 million profits from the sale on a 50-50 basis. Ms. Toscano has denied that such a deal ever existed. Mr. Griffith, who served as a trustee and guardian for the property's previous owner, Jeffrey Gerson, says he helped arrange the sale and is owed an extra $3 million. When contacted by the Irish Independent, Ms. Toscano even denied knowing about the case, despite having filed sworn statements in the Florida court. She has claimed that she was not served with legal papers at the family restaurant in Cork. A magistrate has recommended the case be dismissed on jurisdictional grounds, but Mr. Griffith could pursue the legal action elsewhere, possibly even in Ireland. Meanwhile, the mansion's new owner plans to demolish it and build a new home on the site, while Ms. Toscano appears to have walked away with millions of dollars from one of Florida's most eye-catching property flips in recent years.